Okay, Karen, what was it like before you came to Soul Contract 2?
Immediately before it was intense,
Yeah,
the
how did
emotion.
you feel? Yeah,
It felt, I mean, I knew that this was what I came to England partly to do to do it. So I wasn't doing it through the night, although I'm going to have to do an all-nighter at some point. But yeah, it felt intense just in the build up. There was quite a strong build up. So it was I knew it was going to be a very strong, energetic sort of container that we were in, which has proven to be. I feel amazing. Just feel like that you go through all the different processes and I was sort of feeling it viscerally and energetically. I feel very different now. I feel, even though a lot of it has been absorbing information and observing, and there's been some participation with the actual practices that we've been doing, it's like all of that has magically and alchemically taken my whole body and my whole energetic field through a process that's yeah, it's like I'm in the right place at the right time doing this, and it's just been so magical. It's just particularly doing the baby name optimization and the name optimization for Catherine Ellie Grace as now is. I mean, it's just absolutely magical, and it's just made me feel really like this is what I want to do. It's just so amazing, just so amazing, the impact of the name and the vibration that it has. And there's a magic about the whole processes. Anyway, I won't go on.
thank you. All right, Faye, before you go,
How did you know?
how's the transformation been? Just give a summary.
Prior to the course, a bit sort of echoing Karen, I felt sort of a bit uncomfortable, but also very intrigued and excited. So it was sort of blend of feelings. And it was I'm just amazed by it. I know I'm still processing because I feel like I've got a big lump of cotton wool here in between my ears. So I know everything's, and there's a big pressure on my third eye. So I know everything's going all right. We just really got to sift through this. Maybe a good night's sleep, will really smooth it out a bit. But I'm going to be. I know that it's an art that requires a great amount of, um, for me, devotion. So I'm going to go back to the videos and really piece it together for myself, so I can play pause, stop, pause, and really build up on that confidence. So I'm going to do that. But yeah, I think it's just wonderful, absolutely magical. The baby naming, the name optimization was turbulent because we had a lot of factors, but that smoothness from the baby naming really just chilled me out. That was really, really lovely. I'm very honored to participate in that.
Okay,
Yeah, so I highly recommend it.
thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Eddie, no, Catherine Ellie Grace, new name. How was name optimization?
Oh, I have been so excited and waiting for so long for this name optimization. And frankly, I got so much out of this class. Going into it, I was thinking divine healing was more my thing, and I wasn't feeling it so much for the soul contract reading. I didn't think I had the gift that I do for divine healing. So it has just what I was able to do with the practice readings and the power and intensity of that just confirmed that I do indeed have that gift. It really flowed for me. So this was a real confirmation and a delight. And then the added name optimization is just, I'm so excited about it. So thank you, thank you. It went so smoothly, and I only had that one name with the different spellings. So thank you for taking me through it so expertly and gracefully. I really feel it already, and yeah, so I'm really excited. Thank you so much. It was a great class. Thank you to Bryce, my partner, for helping me, because I also went through some releases, and I think what I needed to do for the tail end of my Katie name and the beginning of my new name. So thank you. And thanks to everybody for the support and the love that you showed me through this. So yeah, it's been amazing. I highly recommend it as well.
Antonia, how's it been? 4 days.
I'm exhausted. There's just been I think it just really all clicked for me really beautifully today. And I'm so pleased. I'm so proud of myself. It's always quite hard for me in a training because I'm slightly ungrounded and my 12-3s want to rush me around a little bit.
Jill, we've got some echo. Yeah.
We've got echo. But yeah, everything just clicked into place so beautifully in the reading today. And my intention at the beginning of the training was to really get to know the numbers more because I'm just so enjoying just doing the birth chart readings. And I thought overlays, I'll do level 2, but I just love doing birth readings. And I think I actually finally understood the power and how much depth you can get into your own life through those overlays. And that's a real gift. And I want to do it for other people. And I didn't think I would. So yeah, really excited to do this.
Okay, thank you. Bryce, how's the journey been?
Been great. Yeah, Soul Contract 1, I got out and started giving readings and wanted to do more and more and more. And then these classes are always incredible. So it's been on par, and I'm wiped out. I feel like I've evolved again just being here, and I'm actually dreading going back to my real life.
This is real life.
Yeah. I'm excited to take this to the world. I've been trying lots of stuff, and it's been hard to find that thing that felt right. So, really excited with this, and this just confirms everything. It's the depth and the overlays, the power of the naming. It's incredible.
You're in the right place.
I'm emotionally spent.
Yeah.
Feels great.
Thank you.
Just happy to be here.
Yeah. Lynn, what do you take away from Soul Contract 2?
It's massive. I mean, I was contemplating a lot on my chart for the last 1 year since I read your book, and I also started looking at the dynamics between my family, among my family members and all. But this is really another level of correlation between the numbers, layers, relationships. The depth of it is something which I'm not sure how more I can internalize, but yeah, it's also been very beautiful to see how you and Antigone, fluidly flow with the charts and all that. And it's amazing. So yeah, been a real learning curve for me.
Okay, thank you. Charlie, how's the transformation been from day 1 to 4?
Yeah, it's been pretty big. I feel like we've been able to cover so much in 4 days. It feels like a lot more than that in a lot of ways. Yeah, just so much, so many things coming in and still landing, to be completely honest. I think I was always interested in the relationship aspect of the soul contracts and overlays and name optimization, all of that, having a lot of experience in all those areas. And it's just brought a whole new layer of understanding and awareness to my practice. And I'm really excited to bring this to clients as an offering now. And yeah, thank you for your teachings. They're absolutely profound.
Okay, thank you. Lindsay, thank you for bringing our baby naming
You're welcome.
client to the class. That was amazing.
You're welcome.
How did you find things overall?
I found this training to be very smooth, and I was able to process it a lot easier. And I think that's because I created a better container for myself, which I learned how to do in the first class. I learned what not to do in the first class so I could treat myself a little better in this class. And yeah, I think it's very exciting, and it just seems like a natural part of my progression. And it's really, really great to have such ease in finding tools. and support and like-minded people that you can share and commune with. It feels really nice. It's like a really lovely gift. Thank you.
Thank you. Jill, how's level 2 been for you?
Really good. I could echo a lot of what's been said. It did come to me kind of suddenly that I was going to be able to do this summer. It's been a little bit in the back of my mind, but I've just been so busy, lots of 12-3 going on. And so now here I am, and just so many question marks I've had since I first read the book have been answered and just transmitted. And yeah, it's been, I just forgot how transformative it is from level 1. And things have come up. It's been a little intense, but I do feel like I'm excited now to go forward with this work a lot stronger, and happy that I came. And I have more like-minded community to reach out to as well and work with. So.
Okay, thank you. Christine, what do you take away from the past 4 days of Soul Contract level 2?
I wanted to discuss Soul Contract level 1. I really enjoyed that. But then coming to this level 2, it's a complete game changer. The difference it can make to people's lives, how to understand relationships, how to move forward with problems, just understanding that deeper level of the people around you. It just brings a whole different aspect onto your life and other people's lives around you. So it's been a brilliant course. I've just loved every minute of it. Feeling very tired now though, because the energy has been very strong over these last 4 days. And to be able to name it a baby as well, that was just amazing. That was just, it just blew me away. And thank you, Nicolas and Digny, and all the helpers. It's just been a wonderful 4 days. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right. Azure, how's it been assisting and holding space for level 2?
It's quite amazing to see everyone grow so quickly in such a short time. It's really, it's always something amazing, and that baby naming was something else. That's a once in a lifetime opportunity to see. So really enjoyed it, and I learned a lot also from watching everyone too.
Okay, thank you. Lauren, how's it been?
It's been amazing. It is 6 a.m. and I have been up all night, so I'll try to make as much sense as possible, as quickly as possible. This is my happy place, right? I just love this work. I love sharing it with people. On a personal note, being in the training, again, assisting, but I still am absorbing so much of the of the transmission and taking it all in, because the thing with this work is it's so multi-dimensional that you learn forever, and you learn from everyone, and there's so many opportunities for healing in this course, and everyone's been amazing with their open and vulnerable sharing. It's healing for everyone. So on a personal note, I got so much out of it, and to be able to support everyone, it just brings me so much joy. So thank you for having me.
Thank you. Sophie, how's second time round been with level 2?
Yeah, it's really good. And I really surprised myself, because I was always really crap at maths at school, and this is all about numbers. So yeah, slowly but surely getting my head around it and enjoying the process, and can actually see I'm growing, which is comforting, and excited, excited for the present moment and also tomorrow, and sharing this with clients. So thank you for having me, and it's great. Thank you to all the assistants for holding space. Thank you. It's great to see all the level 1s again, and to meet the new soul family. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Antonia. I hope you have a lovely evening. Big hugs.
Okay, thank you. Michelle, how's level 2 been?
So it was amazing. I loved how it is structured. We got so much understanding of the system, and we went more deeper with everything. I love the readings that I got, and the flow of the whole system, and how our energy dynamics clash and interact with each other through the family. Overall, it was a beautiful training, and I loved how everyone holds space for everyone in this training. Thank you.
Thank you. Lizzie, how was holding space as an assistant?
It was wonderful. It gave me a different dimension because after you take level 2, you practice on your own and you don't really get a chance to see how others do it. And coming back into the space, observing how people connect the intellectual information with the spiritual aspect of it was wonderful. Thank you. And I just enjoyed everything, and I'm honored to be here.
Thank you. Bella, how was assisting?
So much fun. I really loved getting up every morning at 3:30 in the morning. The best way to spend my days. It was just freaking awesome. Super addicted to this work, super into it. And I just, yeah, I really loved the opportunity to show up in a little bit of a different capacity than coming on as a student. And it was a very, very beautiful opportunity that I'm really humbled by and really grateful for. So thank you so much to everyone here for this opportunity to be with you.
Okay, thanks for your sharing, guys. Thanks to the assistants.